I'm on the dashboard of GoPro Funnel, and on my right side we have the analytics of our campaigns and our pages. We have the number of pages we've made, number of quizzes, number of campaigns we've made, and the number of leads we've gotten. Under here we also have the overview of our email campaigns. So the curve on top is the number of emails we've sent, and the curve under here is our open rate. So now we can see the overview of all our emails and campaigns and pages. So now on the left side we have the side menu, and under the dashboard we have the done for you offers. So these are offers from JVZoo and Warrior Plus and ClickBank that we can just contact the vendors and get our email, our affiliate links, and get started immediately. They are highly converting offers. So let's check the JVZoo offers. We have a lot of products here that we can just contact the vendors and get started immediately. We have a lot of them. You can just contact the vendors by clicking these buttons. We also have the Warrior Plus offers. We have the Warrior Plus offers. We also have the ClickBank offers. And after that, we have the funnel builders. So we have the builders for quizzes, and we have the pages builder. Let's check this out and see what we can make with it. So we have some done for you quizzes that we can just get started with, and we can start from scratch by clicking any of this. By clicking this icon. Okay, let me just click. Okay, let me take the customer service. So we have everything done for us. This is the intro page. We would like to hear feedback. This is just a customer service quiz, just to get some feedback from your customers. So everything is set for us. You can edit and change the style as we like. You can just change the color to something, anything we like, and get started with it. So we just click next. Everything has been set. Everything has been set. We have the first question here. We have the second question. So this, you can just edit the questions as you like. For now, I'm going to leave everything as it is and get started. And this is the quiz funnel. So now we can just move everything around. If the person selects, if my audience is a male, if the person is a male, we can just say, go to the next question. So the next question is going to be this. If the answer is male, the next question is going to be question 3. So from question 1, I've moved the person to question 3. So that's how you just move the person around based on their input. So that's where you can use the funnel. And when I'm done with that, I'll now move to the result page. The result page, we can set multiple result pages based on the question, based on the conditions we have here. So when a person, if the answers from the quiz meet all these conditions, this page is going to be shown. And if there's no condition, the first page will be shown automatically. So when the person is a male, based on what we have here, so this page is going to be shown for a male that was greeted in a friendly manner and answered correctly and take yes as an answer. So anybody that fit these conditions will be shown this page. And we can also add more result pages by clicking the button there. So when I'm done with everything, I'll just click next, and this is the promo banner that you can just set to get some sales from the quiz, from our affiliate link. I can just put more, let me just put a random headline. Get 50% discount on all our products when you buy by clicking the button below. I'll just make this color this font big. All right. So I'm going to set the button called a button, the text button, buy now. I'll just change this to buy now. I'm going to change the button color. So this is the price for the quiz, and we also have the price. This is my affiliate link. I'm just putting a demo link here. So this is the link, my affiliate link that will be taken. This when they click these buttons, they're going to be shown. They're going to be taken to this link automatically. So when I'm done with everything, I'll click submit and save. Alright, so our quiz has been saved. We now have our quiz here. This is the customer service. We can preview it. So now this is our quiz, and then we click start now. Are you email? Okay, when I click yes, I'll just say yes to everything. I'll say awesome. So I'll just put my email link, my email and name here. So that is that about the quiz. So we have the lead. Now we have the email campaigns here. So this way we can put our SMT settings. So I already have an SMT included, so we can add more SMT as we like. So this will be used for our email campaigns, and when SMT has been connected, we have the list. We can add our list. So I already have a list here. This is just a demo link, a demo list. We have 20 subscribers. With this list has 20 subscribers, and we can also create multiple lists. That is that about the list. And here we have the campaigns. Here we can create our email campaigns. So these are the campaigns that I've made. We can also create a new campaign. We have the campaign name, the SMT. I'm going to choose the connected SMT. So we have only this connected. So I'm going to choose a list. This is my list. Am I sending now, or I'm going to schedule my campaign for a future time? So I'm going to click on the 15th, and I can say I'm going to send this now. So just can send now, or we can schedule the list. So this is just the email campaign, and we can publish the email, and it will be sent either now or on the selected date. That is the email campaign, and here we can get the analytics of our campaigns. So we have the total sent, the total opens, and we have the open rate. So we've sent 6 emails, and we have 3 opens. That's 50% open rate. And here we have the analytics of the graphical analytics of a campaign. So that is that about the email campaign. We also have the traffic source. So we can just shoot our campaigns to all those social media platforms. We can select the quiz. We have our quizzes here, and we can also select our page. We also have some pages. Let's go back to the funnel builders and check the page builders out. So this is the page builder. So this is the dashboard of our page builder. I've already made some pages here. So these are my pages that I've made in the past. So we can create new project by clicking this button. So it's going to show us the templates. We can just select any templates we like. We have the sign up, we have the sales page, we have the sales page, we have the opt-in. We have a couple of them here that we can just select from. We have hundreds of templates that could be selected. We have a lot of them, and more are still coming, more templates. So let me just select one of these templates. I'm going to select this, and I'm going to give my template a name. I'll call it what should I call it? Party sign up for my new party. So I'm going to create select. So we have our builder here. You can just select and edit as you like. So I'm going to click edit text, select all. Would you like to join our party? And let me change the color. I can just leave it as it or change the color and select the fill the form below to reserve spell to reserve a seat, to reserve your seat. So that is about that. We can also edit as we like. Also, when we are done about that, we can add more templates, we can add more elements, and we can just move around, change colors. So when I'm done, I can preview my page, and I could see when I'm done, when I'm satisfied with everything. We can also add some layouts or some elements. You can also inspect, you can add more pages. You can also add more pages, you can change some colors. So when I'm done, I'm just gonna save the project by clicking there. So project has been saved successfully. So let's go back to the dashboard and view our project. So we have our project here. So we now have our page here. You can see, and it's very responsive, very responsive. Let's check the responsiveness. So it could be viewed on mobiles perfectly. So everything is set. You can see it's responsive. It's responsive. So it's going to show clearly on mobiles on any device. So that is about the funnel builders. We have a lot of pages. You can create unlimited pages. So now let's go back to, and we can also share our project by just selecting any of these platforms. Just select a page and click here, and boom, your project is live. So now we have the leads. This is about the leads. We've gotten no leads for now. We've not gotten any leads, so it's not going to show. We still have link cloaking, so we can cloak any links here. Let me just put a dummy link, and it's going to cloak this for us. App.goprofunnels goprofunnels.org slash, I'm just going to put a random one there, slash login. So that's the link to the login page. So when I click this now, so we now have we have a cloaked URL that could be copied by clicking here. So that's our link has been cloaked. We also have done for you swipes, and we have the agency platform. We have the integrations. We have a lot of integrations platform that we can just plug into and get your emails directly in your autoresponders. We have a lot of them, and we're still adding more to these autoresponders. And that is about our builder of powerful GoPro funnel builders.